Here's the 3 biggest things that are going to stop you from getting accepted for a mortgage. And I'm going to go pretty deep on each of these, so make sure you're listening. Number 1 is affordability. So you could have your deposit, but if we can't get the numbers to work, your income versus your hypothetical mortgage and your current non-discretionary expenses tested at a higher test rate, then it's not going to work. You could have big deposit, but if you have terrible income and high expenses, then the computer and the bank is going to say no. And these extra buffers are put in there to make sure you can afford your mortgage if interest rates go up. Number 2, assuming you can meet affordability, you got the deposit and everything else is looking good, then they're going to look at your credit score. And if you've had a bad history of paying back previous debt, which no doubt are smaller amounts, then they're going to get pretty nervous and giving you a bigger debt to pay off. So if your credit score is like less than 500 and you've had defaults in the past or you've currently got unpaid debts, you need to work on that straight away, because you could have the most glowing application in terms of the numbers, the income, the deposit, but if your credit score and credit history is terrible, then it's probably going to be a no-go from the bank. And the 3rd one is your account conduct. And specifically, I'm talking about doing stupid things on your bank statements. So gambling, if you've got a gambling problem, obviously the bank's not going to want to give you money. If you've currently got unpaid bills and they're not really going to have the confidence to give you more money and more of a bill to pay back. And number 3 is cash advances on credit cards, because what that means is that you've taken cash out from your credit card or transferred it from your credit card to your transaction accounts, which means it's charged interest straight away, and that is not a good financially sensible decision. If you want to learn more about buying your first home sooner, then just join my free academy. The link is in my bio.